we are taking about the silver, gold and silver. Okay, gold is alloyed with a small amount of silver or copper. We are mixing the silver or copper, then the gold is become hard, then it is a possibility to wear it. Okay, that's why we are saying not 23 carat is there, but pure gold is 24 carat. That's why pure gold we are not wearing, means 24 carat. The in our shops it is written this is pure gold 24 carat. No, it is not like that, because 100% we are mixing a second substance. So when we are mixing a second substance, it always said to be 22 carat or 23 carat. Okay, so this one thing is not this much important, but this things is very important for you. You can write down these things in your copy. Okay, this of alloys. Now again some review I am going to tell you about the metals and non-metals. First thing, malleability properties are important. Difference between both the things. Okay, I am going to tell you the reactions. Okay, this physical properties of metals and non-metals, this you know very well. Okay, now next is the chemical properties of metal. When metal is react with oxygen, it form metal oxide. Various examples has given to us. Okay, to form a metal oxide, you can see. Now next is metal react with water. When metal react with water, it form metal hydroxide and plus hydrogen. Metal react with steam to form metal oxide and hydrogen. Okay, so two things are formed when react with water and when react with steam. Fine, these are all given the examples of it. Next is of dilute acid. Dilute acid is of two types. One is HCl, second is H2SO4. Metal react with dilute acid, it form metal salt and hydrogen. This is a metal salt, that is sodium chloride, magnesium chloride. This is a salt. Okay, so metal react with HCl, it may react with H2SO4 also. Okay, because why H2SO4? Because H2SO4 is also a dilute acid. Here they are using the word H2SO4. After this one we are using next reaction of metal with a salt solution. This copper sulfate is react with the salt solution, and zinc we have taken a metal. It form this thing ZnSO4 and Cu. It form a salt solution and copper is remain out. Various examples which I have given to you, only a revision I am going to tell you. Next is chemical properties of non-metal. Reaction of non-metals with oxygen. So what the things formed? When these things are joined together, dioxide is forming. Okay, carbonic acid, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, sulfurous acid, these things are coming. Next is not react with water. Why? Because it is a less reactive, coming in the downside series. Non-metal with dilute acid. Okay, non-metal with dilute acid, same thing, HCl, H2SO4. Reaction of non-metal with salt solution. Salt solution we have taken and the metal is this one. It formed this thing, NaCl and Br2, NaCl forming a salt solution. Non-metal react with the chlorine. What the thing formed? Non-metal hydrogen phosphorus react with the chlorine. It form a chloride, hydrogen chloride, phosphorus trioxide. These things is given. Non-metal with hydrogen. Hydrogen react with non-metal, form hydrogen sulfide, ammonia. These things. Okay. So these things completed. Revision is over. Various uses, various things are there of ions and cations and anions. So these things you have to today we have completed the chapter of metals and non-metals. Now next we are starting the next chapter, carbon and its compounds. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.